Hi everyone! So I wanted to make Pokey tools with you guys, but I'm going to be using something new. So I had hauled this a couple weeks ago from Hobby Lobby, and after looking at it, I was like, I know there's 100 pieces, but I kind of want to get one more pack of these little snowmen because they're so cute. And then they had snowflake ones that I didn't get that I want to go back and get now. So I figured I can put beads on here and make it look pretty. I mean, since it's wood, I wouldn't use it like a pokey tool like I do my metal ones because I'm pretty rough with my metal ones of, popping paper and stuff. But I would definitely keep this just in my cup just for decoration and just to be pretty. So I would definitely use this as a decoration piece. So we are going to make a couple today. So I have those, and if you want to look up the number on the website, here's the number right here. You can type that in and it'll bring them up if they have any available or not. I did pull a couple of beads out of my stash that I thought would be pretty. I'm going for a winter theme of like blue and white and silver. I did pull 4 out of the bag already. And I have my E6000. I got this one from Walmart, and it does come with the fine tip to that, so we are going to add that on. And then I did pull out, these are the bead kits from Dollar Tree. I'm still on the hunt for these. I'm still fingers crossed that they'll add them to the website because I totally would buy a box of these. So we are going to use this as well. There's some pretty little blue ones in there. And then I pulled out, this is Michael's. So I pulled this one out because I thought the pearls would be pretty, but the holes look kind of large. So we're going to have to see how that works. And then I did take this one out, and this is also from Michael's, but it has some kind of large hole seed beads, some silver beads, and some plastic beads in here. So we're just going to play around and see what will fit, what will work, because I don't really have a plan. I'm not sure what will fit. So I didn't test anything out. So we are going to just wing it here, which is how I craft. I mean, kind of just wing it for the most part with whatever I'm doing. So let's go ahead and open up our glue. So this black knob comes off. So let's twist that off there. Ooh, it's a little messy. That's the one thing I don't like about this glue, is that there is so much like leakage, if that's even a word. Leakage, like wasted product, I guess you could say. There's just so much wasted product on this thing because it just oozes out everywhere. So we have that, and I brought a little plate here, so I'm just gonna lay it on my plate, so if it starts oozing everywhere, I will just fall on the plate and not all over the place. Let's see. So we're gonna take one of these little guys right here, and we're just gonna see what fits. So I think I'm gonna start with a blue. We're just gonna slide that one on. I'm gonna try like one of these smaller little pearls. So we'll go with that one. Oh, I don't think it fits. Oh no, I thought that would have been a perfect little spacer. Let's try a different one. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Okay, so those little white pearls are out. Man, I really, really liked those. Okay, let's dig into here. Let's see, do these clear seed beads fit? Nope, they do not. Okay, so what about one of these pearls? That fits. And oh, look at that. It does look smaller than that one. And let's see. Do we want to go with maybe like a crackle bead next? Ooh, that doesn't really fit either. Okay, let's try one of these blue ones. That fits. Maybe do I want to stick with an all like with this bead right here? Let's see. I think maybe I'm going to do that. I'm going to stick with all these blue. Let's see if I have enough to fit. So I'm going to do that. Oops, sorry. So I'm going to do this, and then I think I'm going to dig into this kit over here, and we'll do white. Oh, that might be too large. See, for these, like, it fits better, so adding a little bit of glue, but on this one, I don't think it's going to stay. Look at how large of a hole that is. Maybe when I add the other beads, it'll help it stay in place. So if we do this, see, I would probably stop to there. So that way, like I said, I could keep this in my cup. Okay, let's just do the last one. Let's just complete the pattern so it's even on both sides. Okay, so this is my pattern that I'm going to use for that one. Now let's just go ahead and add some glue. Okay, didn't even check. This thing might be clogged. Is it clogged? No. I think so. Okay, hold on one sec. Okay, so we got our glue going. We're just gonna spread this around. I just kind of like twirl the glue around so it ends up being like a light layer all the way around. So just kind of like spin it around to the front and the back. Okay, for this one, since that snowflake is so much larger, the hole, I'm going to add a lot more glue to this side. And then I'm going to kind of just try to like tuck it in as well. Add some more glue here for the next bead. Then I want to make sure that my snowflake stays like facing forward. So I want them to stay like this. So like, here's my snowman, so I want this to be like, you know, the front. And then for the bottom, I have to be more careful to keep the glue just at where the bead is going to be, because I don't want it like seeping down through the bottom over here. Okay, then since this is my front, I want to make sure that this is all well in place there. Then I'm just going to hang it, not hang it, but I'm just going to have it stand upside down so that way they'll all just stay in place and not slide off. So I'm just going to rest that right there. Then for our next one, I want to use these, I think. So for this one, I think I'll do... Should I do all blue? Okay, let's go this way. So I think I'm gonna go... Just lost it. Let's see, are these the same kind of blue? That look the same. I think that one's slightly darker, but what we'll do is I'll go with this blue since it's noticeably a different color than the other blue. So I'm gonna put that blue. Then I'm going to do a clear. Then I'll do this like aqua blue. Then we'll do a clear. Then we'll go back to this dark blue. end it there. I think that's kind of cute. It looks very, you know, winterish. I don't know, maybe I should add another set. Let's see how it looks, because if it ends up being like too far down the stick, then that's fine. I could just take it off. It's not a big deal. Let's see. Oh yeah, see, that doesn't leave like a whole lot of extra room to like go ahead and... Because I was thinking about putting it in like a styrofoam. Like making a fancy little styrofoam cup to display these. No, I'm going to take those last 3 off. I'm just going to leave it like that. So, now we got to go ahead and glue this one on. So I'm not going to bore you this time with gluing it on, and I'll be right back. So for the next one, I want to use the pearls over here. But what I did was I picked out some from the Dollar Tree. So there's these like cream colored pearl beads. So I'm going to use those in between and just do kind of the same pattern of the dark blue. So we'll do the dark blue, a white, and then we'll do that pretty blue. So let me get this all glued together, and then I'll be back and I'll show you the 3 that I put together. Okay, so here's that last one that I put together right here. The Dollar Tree beads did fit. And then here are the other 2. So I think I'm going to start up with just the 3 so I can see how well the glue works and how everything sticks together. I don't want to make a bunch of these and then, you know, it not stick very well. But I mean, so far, look, I had just, you know, glued these together and they are staying in place. So that looks pretty promising, but I just want to double check how they're going to hold up. So I'm going to stop at these 3 for today, and then, you know, maybe I'll make some more after, you know, I leave these alone until tomorrow and see how they dry. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I hope you guys are enjoying my little 12 days of Christmas. I have done a Christmas project with you guys every day, and I'm going to continue all the way up until the 12th. So thanks guys. See you later. Bye.